Firstly, measure the opening width and height of your aperture if fitting to an existing opening. All of our doors have optional adjustable side and header panels to fit any existing opening size. Step 2 is to choose the orientation. Our standard door range is universally hinged and can be fitted to open both inwards and outwards, hinged left or right, simply by rotating the door. If fitting an ultra-high security or PAS-24 door, please check the opening direction and hinge side before purchase, as this is not universal. Step 3, if using the adjustable side or top panels, is to fit the lugs along the side or top of the door frame with a hex Allen key. The lugs can be accessed and wound in or out by opening the door and locating them through the fixing holes. The next step is to loosely fit the side or top expansion panels onto the frame. Before fitting the door, ensure the base is level and apply a silicone bead to the footer. If using the optional sill plate, measure and cut to width and fix with adhesive. Packers may be needed to level, which can be purchased as part of our complete fixing kit. Once level, plumb, and square, the door can be secured into place by winding out the expansion panel lugs, starting with the hinge side, until all sides are tight against the opening. Ensure not to put too much pressure on the frame, it should be hand-tight only. The fixings later will hold the frame in place. Again, starting with the hinge side of the frame, secure with suitable fixings through the 4 lugs each side, or just directly through the tabs if not using the expansion kit. Ensure the door remains level and plumb again when tightening and do not over-tighten. If you change the opening direction of the door, you may need to remove the sash lock and swap the latch by rotating, or if fitting a different handle type such as combination lock or fire exit push bar, you may need to swap the sash lock completely with the one included in the kit. Now time for the door furniture. Insert spindle, handle, and the Euro cylinder, and screw into position from the inside of the door to secure. Don't forget the cover plates and test a few times by pressing the handle and turning the keys. The movement should be smooth and unrestricted. Other options of door furniture includes combination keypad locks, WC vacant bathroom locks, fire exit outside access device, as well as internal push pad or push panic bar for emergency exits. Depending on the type of door furniture ordered, your installation method may vary, but will be detailed in the individual instructions with the kit. To finish up, seal any gaps between frame and wall with expanding foam or silicone sealant, or alternatively with our surround frame trim cover, which can be used to clean up the installation. An optional step if you experience driving rain, knock out the weep holes from the exterior and finally finish by applying your maintenance tag in a prominent position on the door with the self-adhesive backing. Again, test the handles and lock a few times to ensure smooth, consistent opening and enjoy your secure steel door.